All right, guys, today we're going to be learning about converting fractions. Remember, we're going to be converting fractions from top-heavy fractions or improper fractions to mixed numbers. Remember, the word convert means to change. So we're going to change one fraction to another. All right, if we start off with the fraction 5/4, I want you to take a look at the denominator. You'll notice that it's bigger than the numerator. That makes it an improper fraction or a top-heavy fraction. It also is a fraction that is greater than 1. When the numerator is bigger than the denominator, we know that fraction is greater than 1. Now, if I want to convert this to a mixed number, meaning it's going to have a whole number and a fraction, then what I need to look at is how many fourths are there in 5/4. Well, if I change it to unit fractions and go 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, that is equivalent to 5/4. If I look at my string of unit fractions, I know that it takes 4/4 to make a whole. So if I circle 4/4, that turns into 1 whole, and then I still have 1/4 left. So 5/4 is equivalent to 1 1/4. Now, if I want to go the other way, say I have a mixed number, like 2 2/3, and I want to convert that to an improper fraction and make it a top-heavy fraction. There's a couple of ways I can look at this. I can say, all right, how many thirds does it take to make a whole? Well, it takes 3/3 to make a whole, and I have 2 of them. So it'd be 3/3 plus 3/3 plus the 2/3. And if I add those together, I'm going to have 3 plus 3 plus 2, which is 8/3. So 2 2/3 is equivalent to 8/3. Now, if you remember last year, I showed you a shortcut on how to do that. Let's take that same fraction, 2 2/3. Excuse me. So I have 2 2/3. What I can do is take the whole number, multiply it by the denominator. So 2 times 3 would be 6. And then add it to the numerator. So take 6 and add 2 to it, and I end up with 8, and put it over the denominator. So it would be 8/3. All right, your assignment is to complete SAB page 13. And the nice thing about this video, folks, is that you can replay it as many times as you want if you want to see me do the problems again.